Now, the second part of this foundation detail. So I'm going to tidy up a few things here. Now you can see that I put in a rigid detail filled insulation region here, and that's probably normal practice. Bringing the insulation down the inside of the foundation wall is probably a Rolls-Royce job. Again, you can discuss that with the team as to whether they like you to do that or not. I know some people do it. So I want to get my rigid insulation in here as well. So let's just draw this one in, and again I'm using thin lines for this one as far as there. Okay, there's my rigid insulation there now. So what I want to do is get my DPCs in, and these are detail lines, and let's hit the drop down box here, and I should have a DPC there, and the DPC will be going in here, and then again across here, little feeder piece like so. I'm going to hit TL on the keyboard. Okay, so that DPC is quite thin. We might need to beef that up a little bit. Sometimes people put in a stepped DPC as well, even just to reinforce things. So they'll come across to here, and then from there down to there and out as well. So again, you can discuss that with the team as to way they want the insulation or the DPC organized at that point there. What I'm going to do is you know, I explained to you that, you know, when we arrive on site we dig out the foundations, so there's a hole dug that's like that there, and to backfill, certainly on the outside we can backfill that with earth, that's not a problem, but on the inside here we generally backfill this with hardcore. So I am going to put in a filled region of hardcore. I don't know if I've got any hardcore here. Oh, I do. Look, there's a hardcore there. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw this in using the line work tool, and I'll come across to there and up to here to there. Okay, escape once. Now I'm going to come up about 300 or so here, and I'll go across at a 45-degree angle, like so. Okay, I need to fill these two, and obviously the important thing to remember about the region is that it has to be a closed polyline. So that one there, I can fill those two like so. Now let's finish this, see how that works out. Yeah, so that's very nice now. So that's my hardcore. You can see the graphic for it sitting in there as well. Now all I need to do with this is note a few things up, and so TL on the keyboard here, a little bit of a thickness going in there, and I put in maybe a couple of dimensions across here, put in my notes for my wall construction, my foundation construction, my strip foundation concrete, and my floor construction. This is a plinth, a sand and cement plinth I've put in that runs around the building as well there, and that's kind of that one done.